not, look at that. I'm not lying. Look, we just got another 800. What the freaking heck? What the freaking heck, guys? Another 800. No freaking way. Hey everybody, I'm going to show you all how to get free PokeCoins in Pokemon Go. This is so easy to do and it works for both iOS and Android. So guys, it is so easy. I'm going to show you guys in this video. Basically, we're going to be using this modded version of Pokemon Go that I'm going to show you guys all how to get. But let me just turn on my screen recording really quick and show you guys an example of me doing this, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get this yourselves. So turning screen recording on in 3, 2, 1, boom, you guys should be seeing my screen recording. And basically we're going to be using this app right here called Pokemon Go Plus, and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So as you can see, here we are on the site. So we've got free PokeCoins, spoofer with GPS, live GPS, and much more. But one of the main features is that you can get free PokeCoins. So right now I have 0 PokeCoins, as you guys see. But watch this. So I'm going to click on 200 Pokeballs and look at this, guys. We are literally getting free PokeCoins. As you can see, adding PokeCoins for free, guys. It literally works. Look at that. We just got 800 PokeCoins, guys. Like, I'm not making this up. I'm not making this up. I am not. Look at that. I'm not lying. Look. We just got another 800. What the freaking heck? What the freaking heck, guys? Another 800. No freaking way. We just got 2,400, guys. I'm not making this up, dude. This literally works so easily. We just did it 3 times. We got 2,400 PokeCoins for free in like literally, what was that, like 10 seconds? So yeah, I'm going to show you guys in this video how to actually get this app, because you guys are all probably stoked right now that it does work and stuff. So to actually get the app is super simple. It is a tweaked app, which means like you can't get it from the App Store. So don't worry, that's where I come in. That's where I come in and show you guys how to get it still. So if you're on an iOS device, basically we have to just change some settings really quick on our device to make sure that your device is compatible for the install. If you're on Android, you don't have to change any settings, but iOS users that are doing this, you have to. So open up your settings on your iOS device, guys, and it will be like this, right? You're gonna see all these stuff here. And you guys are just going to scroll down from this stuff and find the battery option. Just make sure that your low power mode is off while we're installing this Pokemon Go mod thing. And then once you guys get out of that one, you're going to scroll back up and see all these things here. You're going to click General. And then in General, you guys are going to go down and go to Background App Refresh. Click it and just make sure you guys have it turned on to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data, like how I have it there. And then once you guys do that, you're going to want to scroll up a little bit and go to About. Now in About, you guys will just make sure that your software version is above iOS 10. As you guys can see, I'm on iOS 14, so I'm good to go. And then once you guys do that, we are going to be good to go. And that will be all the settings that we got to change on the iOS device. If you're on Android, like I said, you don't have to change any. But now we're ready to get this app. So how do we get it? Well, it's super simple. You guys will open up your browser on your iOS or Android device and go into this website. Guys, you're going to go to this one right here. It's called vivahelper.com. So that's VIVA helper.com, guys. Super simple to spell out. But yeah, the site is really cool. And when you load it, it will look like this. So now what we have to do, guys, is you will go to I think it's in games. If you click games, no, if you go to mods, maybe mods. Yep. You're going to want to go to mods and you're going to see Pokemon Go Spoofer all the way at the bottom there. If you don't see it though, you can go to search apps and you can just type in Pokemon. Hold on a second. Yeah, you're gonna type in Pokemon and you're gonna see it there. Now when you type in Pokemon, make sure that the E doesn't have like that line thing above it, because then the website will won't find it. Like it has to be like a regular E, guys, not like the line one. But you're going to find it, and then you're going to click Pokemon Go Spoofer, and it will say like Spoofer with joystick, includes other mods as well, which is like the free PokeCoins and stuff. You're going to click download, and we're just going to go ahead and wait for it to load, guys, and then I'll show you all how to finish getting the app, and we will now have the Pokemon Go Spoofer on our iOS and Android devices. So let's just wait a little bit here. Give it a second more, and it should load. And alrighty, guys. Okay, so once it loads, it will say this. Do you want to allow this? We're gonna click allow. If you're on Android, it will actually just take you to a different page that will just take you straight to the download. And then once you guys do that, you're gonna open up your settings, and then you're gonna want to go and find the profile downloaded there. Or if you don't see it there, you're gonna go into general, and you're gonna go to profiles, and you'll see Pokemon Go Spoofer at the top there. But we're gonna go ahead and install it now, just like that. We're gonna install it. And there we have it, guys. We will now have the Pokemon Go Spoofer on our phone. And then we can go ahead and use it and be able to get the free PokeCoins. When you do open it up for the first time, though, guys, there might be a verification in there, like that makes you install 3 apps or something. It's pretty simple, but it's required that you guys do it. And yeah, and there'll be a tutorial in there if you guys get confused. But thanks for watching, everybody, and peace out, guys.